Hello, in front of me I've got Nissan Qashqai. In this video I'll show you how to navigate through instrument cluster display. In the beginning, take a look at the left side of the steering wheel. Right here we can find OK button and two arrows button. Press OK button to navigate through current menu. Press left and right arrow to change menu on the instrument cluster. Now let's take a look at the instrument cluster and check what we can find here. Firstly, we've got compass. Also on the compass we can find radio settings. We can change source and band. Next we've got drive computer. Here we can find since refuel, settings, and we can reset them. Then we can check tire pressure and energy flow. Next we can enter map on instrument cluster and Bluetooth audio. In the one before last menu, we've got ProPILOT Assist. Here we can manage forward, blind spot, and lane assistant settings. We can manage steering assist and check assistant menu, and we can find traffic sign assistant. In the end, we can go to settings, where we can manage ESP, driver, assistance, personal, head-up display, eco settings, tire pressure, and many more. In the end, if you press lines button on the steering wheel, you can enter shortcut menu. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment, and subscribe.